Things are going well with the mask requirement. We passed an ordinance a couple months ago, and there's been a general compliance. A lot of people are wearing masks, and I've noticed over these 2 months that more people are wearing masks. For example, I went to a supermarket right after the mask ordinance passed. Maybe 2/3 of the people had masks on, but I went back there recently and it's virtually everyone. So I think we're getting good compliance, and this is important because we know that wearing masks helps to prevent the spread of coronavirus. That's been proven beyond dispute now by a lot of science. We're following the science, and we intend to leave the ordinance in place as long as the community is at risk for coronavirus. Well, here in Nashua, we've had about 700 cases, a little bit more. And we're fortunate to be in Nashua because the numbers could be a lot worse. Just south of the border, things in our neighboring cities, there were a lot more cases. But thanks to this joint effort, everybody getting together to wear masks and do social distancing, we've been able to contain the spread of the virus to a great degree. And our public health department is doing a great job as well in determining who's tested positive and then working with all the people who've been in contact with those positive patients. We expanded outdoor dining into the travel lane and into the parking on each side of the street, and it's gone great. The number of people coming downtown has just swelled tremendously. The feedback is very, very positive. It's helped save a number of the restaurants, our small businesses. So we really are very happy, and we're working on now how to continue with this in future years. There have been a few isolated outbreaks at a private party. I think there was one surrounding a swimming pool party. But we have worked through public health with each of those situations. Public health immediately gets right on it, figures out as soon as someone tests positive, they work with all the contacts of people who were at that party, get them to quarantine, isolate. So there's been no widespread expansion, widespread communication of the disease. As a result of the downtown dining, of course, most of it's outdoors.
Right.
So that's a very big precaution. We have not seen any outbreaks related to the downtown dining.